ऐसा प्लेयर्स का स्टे है हमारा मैच में है, सो वी गेट ए इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम देम, मेनू गाइडलाइंस फॉर ए प्लेयर्स. बेसिकली they will be here for 2-3 days, so starting from their the match practice days and the final match days, so they will have a all day dining menu kind of sandwich and different kind of nuts, berries, and they have a special requirement for a sportsman, so that is always should be available in that. And then depending upon high tea in the evening, snacks, those kind of menus is also there, which is more of grilled and those kind of things. Then main course cuisine wise, it is Indian, Western, Asian, so everybody has preference and all. So that so quantity, so everything is there. They generally tend to avoid lot of oil, more spices, and goes for healthier, जो सर ने अभी बोला है millet, so those kind of everybody, there is lot of players, they have their individual requests, their individual chefs is also there, so they have given us the ingredients requirement, so we are arranging that, so everybody will have a different, some gives menus also, especially then we need to prepare that, so there are different requests. But from our hotel side, we also try to offer them what is we are good at, and especially our Odia cuisine food, and we have seen them that they also like. Even the South Indian, South African, you will think that they will go for, when they are here, they try to go for Indian cuisine and those kind of dishes. So generally they ask for whatever we menu. There is a coordinator for both the team, so they are going to meet us. So as soon as they come, so they will meet and they will changes as per their requirement.
They like more.
No, sir.
Sir, which Odia food they like most?
Generally, we offered them this steams, patropod, this kind of food, and which is has a signature and those kind of things, which is more of steamed and those kind of and barbecue. No, they are going to come tomorrow. So abhi they have come, so they will give. So major people will come the next day. But we have our regular buffet, so they are part of that. So there we offer them this. And as
सर कोई प्लेयर का जो खुद का शेप आता है, कोई आए हैं? कौन सा प्लेयर का अभी?
हाँ, प्लेयर का आया है, but we are not going to disclose the name and all. So they have their individual cooks.
आए हैं?
The people who are known.
साउथ अफ्रीका और इंडिया का?
No, mostly Indians players. Indian players. Yeah.
शेप आए हैं?
हाँ, शेप आया.
कितने आए?
We have 2-3 of them and about to come also some more.
उनका बेसिकली
So
क्या रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है?
they have their specific. Sportsman is more of the high energies and those kind of they tend to have. They have also their health restrictions. So those kind of things they generally what they prefer. So that, and we also help them. So basically we have got the ingredients. Now they will come and they will also discuss and make us part of the team. Then we are going to cook according to how their preference, and that is what. No, ऐसा नहीं है, everybody, even we plan a lot of things, at the end they come and ask for dosa, chakuli, all those kind in the morning, so they are also a little bored, and the way we display our food and we try to showcase those times our whatever we are good at, so we see that they tend to go for this. We will be putting pitha and everything in the buffet, so that whatever they want plus whatever we are good at, so both we are going to put it. And also when it comes to food, people would like to try, so that is what. There are people who goes for salad, grilled chicken and those kind of things, different kind of berries and all, which is present, and millet is also different varieties, so those kind of things is there.